Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out which users have access to your computer. To find out, we are going to do the following. We will press the Windows key and the R key. The Run window opens, and we type the letters netplwiz. And then we press the Accept key. This new window called User Accounts opens up, and here we can see the users who have access to our computer. If you see any user in the list that shouldn't be there or that you don't recognize, simply click on it and then click the Remove button. This quick and easy method allows you to delete that unwanted user. Remember to do this every now and then, to avoid having intruders on your computer. If you want to keep seeing videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It takes just 3 seconds of your time, and it helps me out a lot.